everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another headband wig review. Y'all know I've been loving these headband wigs so far. I have a couple of them that I'm gonna make sure I get a video out for you guys. So this is the third one that I will be reviewing, this ombre honey blonde number that I got going on, and it's giving me length, it's giving me texture, all that good stuff. I did get this headband wig off of Amazon per usual from a store by the name of COSSARO. So of course, make sure you guys check the description box below for all of the details about this wig. But enough about that, let's go ahead and jump into the video.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
Alright, so I showed you guys construction of the wig. This wig has 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the front, and 1 in the back. Also has an adjustable strap, and it had the black strap where you put the headband on. This is the headband that they sent me, so I went ahead and put it on. The only combs that I have secured from this wig is the one in the back. I did not secure the combs in the front or the side. So I did apply some water to this wig, just a little bit. It has pretty much dried up, but I just wanted to define the curls a little bit more. So let's go ahead and get into the details about this wig, and then I'm gonna show you guys a couple of styles that you can do with this headband wig. Now, this headband wig is from COSSARO on Amazon, so make sure you guys check the description box below where I will leave all the information for you. But this is their curly human hair ombre honey blonde headband wig. The one that I got is 20 inches. I will show you guys how it looks in the front and the back. This color is 1B30 and it retails for $115.99. So a little bit over $100. But it is human hair. The length is good, so I personally think that it's worth the buy because I actually really like this wig so far. So once again, headband human hair wig is 100% unprocessed human hair. Texture is curly. They have lengths between 14 and 22 inches. Again, I have 20 inches. The shade is the ombre honey blonde, 150 density. It is machine made, and it's for, you know, the natural look. So this is how the wig looks in the front, as you guys see. So this is how it's looking, and then here's how the wig looks in the back. So I did get a little bit of shedding. I did brush it out. So this is the most shedding that I got from this hair. But I really do like it. I like the curl pattern, I like the color, I like the length. Like, this is really cute. Really cute. So I was gonna show you guys how the wig looks like in a ponytail, but I forgot I didn't completely secure this wig, so I'm gonna go ahead and save that for another time. So if you guys want to see a video on, you know, how the headband wigs look up, then give this video a thumbs up and I will do that for you as soon as possible. But once again, I love this wig. Everything about it I absolutely love. So I do want to thank COSSARO for reaching out to me, asking me to review this wig. I absolutely love it, and I hope that I can work with them again in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig, the color, the texture, the length, all of that good stuff. Let me know down below, and of course don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. That is pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next video.